Hello kids! Today, I have a story for you. But before that, I have a picture. Tell me about this picture. The two boys playing outside with their kite. Very good. Another one. The boy hold the string tightly. Very good. Another one. The wind blow gently. And they are happy. Okay. What is the meaning of a kite? You know what kite is? Yes, a kite is a toy with a light frame, stretched over it and flown in the wind at the end of the long string. How about windy day? You know what windy day is? Yes, exposed to wind. Fly. What is a fly? When we say fly, move through the air using wings. Okay. Another, last one. Blow. Blow. When we say blow, move, creating an air current. Okay. That's why the kite move freely because of the wind. The wind blow gently. Okay, now this is now the story that I tell you. That the topic or the story is about It's a Windy Day. Dennis gets his kite ready. It's a windy day today. Dennis sets the kite to fly. The wind blows the kite to the sky. Dennis said, "Fly high. It's a windy day today." Dennis gets his kite to fly. Right? Do you understand or do you like the story? And now, children, I have a question for you. Who gets his kite ready? You can answer. Who gets his kite ready? Alright. Number 2 question. What does Dennis say to the kite? What does Dennis say to the kite? Next one. What does the wind blow to the sky? What does the wind blow to the sky? Next, what do you do on a windy day? What do you do on a windy day? Alright. So here we are. What you are going to do is your answer to the question will be passing tomorrow. You can pass your answer tomorrow when we back to school then. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Bye.